Today, guys, I will show you how to make any sprite rainbow and make clones rainbow, anything rainbow, really. Anything rainbow. So, to make anything rainbow, just drag out this color block, change color by, and then put that in a forever loop. And then if you want it to start when the green flag is clicked, put a green flag clicked button above it. And then, click the green flag. It's rainbow. But we can make this cooler. We can make all of it rainbow. So we can put point towards mouse pointer, and then it's pointing towards the mouse pointer. And then let's move it 10 steps. And it's moving towards our mouse pointer. And we can also use this create a clone of myself block, but this will not work because it will infinitely make clones and the game will start to lag at some point. So we have to fix this. So add this when I start as a clone, you can add repeat 10, delete this clone. And this is really cool, but you might not like this. So you can do this trick. You can do this size trick. So add a change size by block and put a negative number in it. Put a negative number in it. Whatever negative number. I don't care what negative number it is. I'll make it a little lower because that doesn't look like they're shrinking. So I'll put it like 9. And now it's actually looks like it's shrinking. And you also might not like this. So you can also do this. You can change ghost effect by whatever you want. But I'll keep it at 17. You can do whatever you want with that though. With that one though. But if you put it high, then that's okay. But you might want to change it because it might look bad if it's high. Change it to something lower than 10. I think if the number's lower than 10, it's gonna look pretty fine. It's lower. So put a number lower than 10 if you want this effect. And you've got this effect. You can do other stuff with this. Like, you can do this if you want to. You don't have to do this, but I'm just showing you. You can make the clone spin. But if you don't want to do that, to make them spin, you don't have to do that. And you can make the clones go crazy if you want them to just go crazy. Like, what the heck? That was actually kind of funny. Why did they laugh? On edge bounce. You can do if on edge bounce that might look really funny but cool. And you can also make them say hello. I don't know why you would do that, but there's so many text box. Ah! Okay, it's starting to lag. If it starts to lag, then just stop the game. Just stop the game if it starts to lag. I feel like you shouldn't do. I feel like you shouldn't put a say block in that clone one because Because after a while, it will definitely start to lag. Like, it's about to start lagging. They might disappear, but for some reason they don't disappear when you do this, so it's going to start to lag. So we move that block. You can also do this if you want to. Next costume. I accidentally put it down here, so. And next costume. You can also put it in that one. You don't have to put it in just when I start as a clone. You can remove that and then you can put it back on. Well, that's really all I had to show you for this cloning hack on it. But let's go with something else, Rainbow. Because this might look cool, but you might not want it. This might not be what you're looking for. So, let's try something else. Okay, there is this rainbow sprite, I think. Rainbow. Yeah, there is this rainbow sprite. Well, you might think it's just rainbow. Like, well, you might not think about this, but watch this. You can do that, but just delete this part and watch that. Whoa! You see that? You can do that, and that looks pretty cool. Like, that looks actually really cool. You can do all three in one project. I don't care. That's what I'm going to do. But that's a hack with the rainbow sprite. It's like a rainbow hack. You could also do this with something you drill, like just draw like a box or something. I didn't mean to do that, sorry. And just put it in that and see what happens. It's going to start changing colors, but if you don't want it in front of your rainbow, then basically just put it right somewhere that's not in front of it. You can also hide your cat under this thing. Let's see you make your cat go to front layer. You can even do this with an uploaded sprite. Like, I'll just upload a random display here. Let's just upload this video frame. Put it at the bottom, or put your image at like the bottom or something. If your game's like this, put it at the bottom. But put it at the bottom because we don't want it to cover your cat. So basically, you can just drag the code. Drag the code right there, and that's all you have to do. And you can also do this with backdrops. So I'll show you how to do this with backdrops too. Just pick a random backdrop and put the code in it. And the background should start changing colors. And that's all the rainbow stuff that I have to show you today. Bye.